let's break down an ad. This is one that we did for Unstuck, which one of their products is a conflict resolution box, right? So these little cards which help fight conflict in the workplace. So let's watch the video and then we'll break it down, shall we?
Did you know companies lose 2 hours a week per employee to internal conflict? Those miscommunications, arguments, and resource disputes have a material cost to your business, to say nothing of the emotional toll it takes on your team. This means you need to be a better boss. And part of that means becoming better at having those difficult conversations that we all dread having. I know it's easy to turn a blind eye or to convince yourself that things will work out, but frankly, that's just weak. You can't just stick your head in the sand like that. But don't worry, I've got you. Use the Unstuck box, conflict resolution. These cards have your back. There are 100 in total, split into 10 chapters that deal with a different part of conflict resolution, covering everything from recognizing early warning signs all the way to resolution and recovery. We're not all good at this, but this box will be there for you so that you can be there for your team. Order the Unstuck box today. Learn to solve problems before they become problems.
It's a great video, right? It's a bit longer, it's about a minute, but I think we needed that in this to explain why this product is so important. And that's one vital thing here. If you're going to make a longer video, it needs a reason to be longer and not just feel like you're just dragging it out for watch time, essentially. And one thing that I really want to pick up on is how much we use handwritten content. You can see this, we use it, in the hook. We circle something on paper. I don't know what it is, but it just works. And the same here, right? Instead of just showing these things on the screen, we're showing them on like in the environment, physical writing. We've seen it with post-it note ads. We carry this into video because it just works really well. It just holds people's attention. It feels like more effort has gone to it, and this is more custom. Throughout the entire thing, we have these captions here, which are right in the middle of the screen because we want people to understand what she's saying. Scientifically proven. If you're reading the words as they're being said to you, you retain the information for longer. That's why we've made such a big deal about these captions being on screen. Okay. And then we have this kind of footage here. So this footage is stock footage, believe it or not. And this is all from a fantastic website that we use called Gridbank. Let's get it up for you. Gridbank. I'm an ambassador of Gridbank because it's just like a really great software. Well, it's not a software, it's a website. It's stock footage. Okay, all of this, you can download it and you can use it in your ads, and it just helps build out your creative, because otherwise you're going to be relying on stock footage that isn't UGC. Instead, it's just like boring looking crappy stock footage, and this is, this fits perfectly into the video because the quality is the same, the lighting's the same, everything like that. It's great. And then we have a deliver some lines about turning a blind eye while having a mask on a face, just to make the ad read more entertaining. You can't deny the fact that this is a long script, and so we're trying our best to keep things exciting by showing her in a different outfit, or we're showing her in a different location, we're showing her holding the phone, we're showing her holding the product, like all these different things we're trying to do so that people continue to listen and to watch. Okay, that's what's so important with videos like this. If you know that it's going to be a long video, then you need to use as many retention tactics as you can do and employ them the best you can do so that you can hold attention. The longer you hold attention, the more likely people are to click away and have a look at the product. All about casting. Great creator here. She shoots some really great footage. She's of the right age as well. We've mixed that in with some different people with UGC, so it doesn't just feel like it's just her the whole time, right? This is super important, the fundamentals that go into really great UGC ads. So if you want some ads like this and you're interested in finding out more, fraggle.com is the place to be. Have a look, fraggell.com. Have a look, fill in your information, and I would absolutely love to have a conversation with you.